Testing the endurance.
Let's
Test the endurance of this chicken coop.
Dar nu îl chinui.
Two cats. It's okay.
Nu vrea. Acum. Cred că e
That's the weakest
frică.
point. Here is the weakest point, and the cat. No chicken for you today, no?
Trebuie să pui mâța înăuntru.
No.
No.
No. I want the. I don't want chicken. This is not for cats.
It's a very good food for cats.
This is food for cats, but not for cats. Well, it's 4:49. It's almost 5 o'clock in p.m. and I will take them out and put them inside. Day 6 for my chickens. Free range chickens. Now they are free range. I will extend this coop 3 times larger. So modular. You can. I will put some hooks here, and you can put something on a U shape to have. When you will deposit in the winter, you have something like this, and that's all. So very modular, very easy to save for winter. This is like this is the best point for this design. Okay, I lost some lumber here, but only some studs. This one, that one, that one. So I lost I don't know 5 meters of lumber. Who cares? Because I will on in the winter I will have it protected and well deposited. This is just temporary. I will do something smarter. You'll see in a few times. This is not ready, but I will. Let's say so. My chicken coop will be almost like this, the same square, and I will build it up. I will build it from here to here, 1 meter square. So and the access will be here. I have the SketchUp on YouTube, so you know everything like it's gonna be. So I think it's perfect. I don't see any faults right now. If you want to, I don't know if I will put doors here, but maybe not. Maybe I put 2 doors. I don't care because you can buy hinges. How many hinges you want? So you can put like 2 doors, not only one, and you can go inside. It's not a big step, so you can do it. I don't think that my chickens will grow bigger than this bottle. Let's get serious. Maybe they will be like this, with the hairs up. This is good when you're not home and they are small. Even if they are bigger and you want them to keep safe, I think it's a good round for them. Why build something like this when you only need 50 centimeters? And it's very economical, ecological, modular, everything I wanted for my chicken coop. So I like this design until now. Until now it's okay, it's a good design, I think. So I have all the 10 panels right now. One with a door because you want them to go outside if you want them to go outside. So I put a door like, let's say like this one. Like I show you, nobody can get in. Smarter than a man. I think this is okay. This will work for me. Yes, it's modular, but not so modular that you can make I will only have one paste, one. You see, I will make some hooks like this. This is the screw, and this is the belt. So I put some U shape in two belts. I can show you, but not right now. So this is almost 5 o'clock, and I will take them back to the brother house, which is my box. But this is fine. This is a nice chicken coop. I don't know which is better, if to put the mesh on the outside or the inside. If you put it like this, they will shit on your chicken coop. If you put it in the other way, you don't you let's say you have smaller space, but the grass space is the same. So I don't know, maybe I put them on the outside. I will think about it, but maybe it's a good idea, maybe it's a great idea, because if I put the wire on the inside, it doesn't apply on the upside because you have higher. So if I put this on the inside, where I have better hooks and easier to more safer if I put the wires on the inside, and they will not shit on my chicken run. So they will live longer. That here they like to stay. You see, is I don't know. I have to think about it. They like to stay on top of this one. Hmm. This is all. This is difficult. Should I let them shit on it or not? Maybe not. It gives the impression that it's bigger, but it's not. It doesn't matter that it's bigger, so I'll think about it. I don't have to decide it right now. I like this design until now. Yes, on the upper side it's like this is the best, because you put the hinge here and you open like this. You put a hinge here and there, and you open like this, and you can go inside. And the other one likewise. I don't even know how it's better for the bottom part. Maybe on the outside, because they will not shit on my chicken run, and it will last longer if they don't shit on it. And also, yes, I will put them on the outside, because the, the predators will try to go from here, so they don't will not enter because of the wire, and they have, say, psychologically they have another 5 centimeters to go, so they will go in here and they try to make a hole here, but they will quit it. They will quit shortly, because it's harder to yes, that I think that will be the, so that's important to, to project, and after that you make some changes depending on the result. So yes, maybe it's best for me to put it on the outside, because the space inside the it's the same between this and that part, and it's easier for me to just plug in it. This looks great. looks nicer like this. I think it's nice, but they shit on it. I don't want to shit on it because it's a problem, and they don't use it. Or maybe I should keep that, but no. I could put something on it. Yeah, I can put some feeder. No, doesn't worth it. I think. Yes, I can put some feeder. If I keep it like this, I can put some feeders and I can screw it to those steps. The water in one corner, and the other corner I can put the feeder, and I can put food from, and I can put food from top and water also. Yes, I'll keep it like this. It looks nicer, but well, it will last few. But I can win, let's say, 2 times more because I can switch. So I can put this part down and that up. I can flip it whenever I want. So this is great for me. Maybe it will work eventually. So this is it. You are gonna go inside now. This is enough for you. Hope you get a good time. It's, let's go. Let's get them to sleep.